Hello, everybody. I have something I want to share with you real quick. This is how to kind of tell if somebody's trying to scam you. Here's a great example. We got a form fill from our website that said somebody was looking for some equipment. Generally, with these scams, they'll come in, they'll say, I'm looking for this equipment. You put together a PO. They'll either pay via credit card or whatnot, and then once you ship the equipment, they'll reverse the charge on you. So, but here's a quick way to know, is this company legitimate? To see if you want to start doing business with them. When we take a look at the email and we take this domain name over here, we're going to go over to www.godaddy.com/whois. And what this brings us to is an area where we can look up these domains. So we're going to paste this domain in here and do a quick search on it. What this is going to tell us is when this domain was actually started. So this was registered only in June of 2025. This tells me that this is a newer registration. This is somebody who either just started business or somebody who created a false registration. The second phase that we do is we go to the actual website of that domain that we copied. In this scenario, there's actually no website. But other scenarios we've seen is it actually takes you to a different website that looks similar. So what I generally would do in that scenario is I would copy the domain of the website that you landed on, if it looks like a legitimate website, and once again put it into this Whois direct database, and it'll tell us if it's the same website, if it was registered on the same date, if it wasn't. If everything was registered on the same date, it might just be a new company, which means you're actually looking at the same website. There's going to be sometimes that website is so close and so looks very, very similar that it's hard for the naked eye to even see it. So in scenarios like I've seen before where an M is actually an R and an N in the fake website. So when we go to the website, it goes to the real one, it forwards to that, and then you put it in here and you say, okay, well, the second place it took me to was an actual legitimate business, but the first place that I'm getting this email from was a new domain that they created to make it appear they're from this company. Anyway, I hope this helps. Go ahead and share it on with everybody. It's real good information. It is godaddy.com/whois is a phenomenal tool to watch everything and make sure that you're not getting scammed. Have a great day. This is Mr. D, the Tie Guy.